Check. Kadishat, Lungjan Lawi winner. Lungjan Lawi winner na bomb hilay ka announcing pudli report kasamilo. Lungjan Lawi winner na bomb hilay ka announcing pudli report kasamilo ning Shilagra. Check. Volunteers mati. Volunteers mati. Kau kau ni shat ka announcing pudli report kasamilu. Volunteers. Itu may programming halbog by kawai. Itu may chief case abam milira zangaira yarui saigoro na kya gshena kanganing kamilo. Itu may chief case abam milira zangaira jena yarui saigoro na kya gshena kanganing kamilo ni chilagra. Itu may chief case razangaira yarui saigoro na banga kapyamilo. Ajui chief case si Sandela Shimra. Special case si Kanile Delay Kareli Jennifer Luikam international tennis player Kakaneli Thotmung Kamrang. Ajui program yarui saigoro na kapamzang milo. Ajui ngran nge dada side delay host kani Orle Jan AS Saina Sorancho Kasar Anina Samira Hauga Boxia Heche Don Rashim Associate Pastor Violent Baptist Church. Some Kangarok to Ekala presentation he Pay me on Rumtao Organizing Committee na hanger ka juitili short speech itum chief case Sandela Shimrawe na kangana sampangra kala ka gup kangajang siai Pastor Jibem Mishaiza STA Church ara hogpok sihawi wang HA Donation Associate Pastor Violent Baptist Church na Adam ka kwimirno.
Obok wai itum sai corona kuim sunjong da sia sa se ikumoli na mi ching jere khamata ya ga sa khwa bari bra pro honana ikumoli musem khuirang laka gazing le sai ko re sem khuye kala thilang mi da ikumo pingli noi za gyu khu da sem khuyaw ga da ithumli mushun mukhui kala ga shi ga pha theng sa ke Acha lakwen thui laga proho pun ngalai hili proho nana lei daklaya aunga bing aunga li kala ayan osan sai ko rele proho no mission mukhui sam yogida ithum le kasa khwa le gji acha lakwen thing sagai sai kala proho nana pun ngalai hili paw khamatha wilam bedigri chirat mi laga ithum le tambang Lutan leg sa juena ithumle miklak saglaga proho kasi ka pathing sagda ithumle higthada stay sadamli khurak mi jang chung khning sie acha lakha awngali prohona thawnyo myogda awngana luira adam hili luithui mi da luithui mi khai ju thanjle ayono san sai ko rana thei machi pai machi Ingasang atam lo kuilamiye ayawana hangkha chi shulda awngana masui hai mirang laka themachi pai machi ringsang kai sai ko ruji mukhui shai mane mukhui sing ne guji hi hanghaye ar wari shi saugida proho hunphun luchuno sai ko rana awang dhanda proho no mingni sui hai mida ason thang date 14 ni sathi laga Ithumay ngiriyong han saiko rihi matang aina. O gatui grasa saiko rin makarmi laga na nukhirami ere. Kanawa simik sho, kanawa ngayahili, roho. Rasyo kasung kana, awring ya. Piti kandia sagde laydalaye, program saiko rihili. Roho na nayang mida, nasang mihawda. Kala kasyap no saiko rin makarmi layo. Kala tilang mida. Nurum shan kami mangaina, rak yang mibing sai ko rira, roh noi kamata noi tiam sakti teguida, uklungli chorkai ngasak milo, uklungli chor ngasak mida, itu mi kesa kwa leye, kelak sa kwa iran siam kahai, sakwi asyorep kungi hiap kamata lumyang ngaji, uklungli pening kuida, itu mkalata, roh nali yang kalaga, nali hamsangda dingataya mipu, abang sang sak milo ngaji, aruing yawi. Ang ranangi mahapok na rin tuida, proho no mingli suihay da siya kasanay. No mingzi na may kaprono. Amen.
Ning shlagare ishui HA Donation Associate Pastor Violent Baptist Church Lee. Ara itumay samkang rock to a color presentation hi. Pay me on Rumtao Organizing Committee na atam kakwimirino.
Good evening, Hunpun. Rimitwida. Natum saiko rili. Aring zinwe. Ring kapa shalamidle. Kala. Nuiruwi. ring a pa panid lim rajang hai na thum psychology welcome sadale khaya shigabaya aji with chief guest of honor kala special invitees na thum psychology ishi organizing committee we matun sada kala hunpun we matun sada na thum li nishina kho guji hi rimitwida hangjipun dai natumna natumwe atam kya ka kasak le salala kasi khile khanglaga itume program mi mapung phamai khwaida natumna program hili rachbem khmiwang ningshina kho gji hi natumle hangchpun le kala hili gzibdak le yarui kala ishi hunpun outside kor natumna hilada ground empty ngaina Maragzib misa ni shiva itume program hila success masamre chena natumwe shirukla kachungkha sangai gji hangaye ni shinaye natum na hidada ishuwi program ishuwi luiru panit how ko pogaina twilaga achi katangai na tangta natum na hidada pemting ngaina program ri chpem khmiwang yaru psychology ka kala ishi hunpun psychology ni shinaye gji hi hangai delaye kala kanau sada hidada yaru psychology hangaye achi ngalang yan gida kala hile natumna atumle khaya kala kaina welcome sakui sei gji hangaye atumna mathala kaina represent sashap khwai tui khamthai na welcome sakui sei gji la hangaye mathala kaina represent sashap khwai atumle welcome sakui milo gji hi hangaye ningshi jang khathai re natum psychology ringpa ngazin ngasarono gji hi hangwishi dele hunpun layam I say thank you
ning share issue organizing committee pai mi one room town asam khang grok tui mati mi khai chu wang ara anamatalu issue presentation itiomeka singa house jaina Karesa the issue we achieve ngazin we Miss Lyric contest ngazin we chief guest by me one sobem laraleng issue we sobem laraleng hili issue miss by me one room tower organizing committee ng ran mirno chain issue we achieve we chief guest sobem laraleng nana issue we stage li kalaga pangran hi khaka khoi milu Kalaga Khaniali issue guest of honor Jennifer Luikam international tennis player Nalila Pangranhi Sangai Delaye China Nandla stage li kalaga khaka khimilo Yari sai corona banga pemi say banga pemi himam lai say Kakniali issue guest of honor Jennifer Luikam international tennis player Nalila present hi sangai tlaye chain and stage lika ka khoi milu
Presentation ni sama mantalay laka issue is special images pingli pokhangai natumli chief case wing ngalemni chair ngaran mi haidalay jena natumna apam ji kazang khoi milo special images pingli pokhangai natum chief case wing ngalemni chair ngaran mi haidalay jena natumai apam ji kazang khoi milo nishlagra
Kagatumali issue is special guest Totmung Kamrang Nalila stage li kalaga present hi Ngaran Queen Sangai Delaye China Mr. Totmung Kamrang Nana stage li khaka khoi milu Ni share issue Bangran Sami Khai, Pay me War Room Town Organizing Committee Nali.
Ishui Kashidri Matarang Laka, Bokangai, Achui, Lungjan La way winner, Nana Bum Hililaitaleka, announcing Pudli report Kasamilo, Lungjan La way winner, Nana Bum Hililaitaleka, announcing Pudli report Kasamilo. Ara Ishui Kashetwi, Ishui case of honor Sami Declay, Jennifer Luikam, international tennis player, na Atam Gokimirino.
Lagi sia isi pun nau kara isi tangkul nau tong re iwi salam midre I Jennifer we inau rava Jennifer Lucam aji timikso and awi wat kesak kara awi train intense training course puneri re augida and misang ramda aji we re Ari invitation kami ati sudah ring parage ina apa akasada iktaji mikso hi ari peningungda isi humpun leiru penitiri ari guest of honor special guest sada ari mencuk kami bang kara invitation kami bang ring parage kara ning sirage Kara matang ria Jennifer Lucam na rakara program katai dari razang mikvai ara tata mencuk tere atru icanga ara mesang ratu kita tata ina cui mering apa jauh le si Ketong ri phong sok dak nei kara punna kara isi tangkul rei dak rei ketong na awi bang mga ba khwai bang siasa misar la da ra tada mecukai kara cida ka sami runo kara aji kita cimik soi de awi mutun sa da ina ka tiau ka pangran ra ka organizing committee ri mingai dre kara organizing committee we humpun leiru phani tu organizing committee we asi representative aga iri rami sia para ra koi miru kara iri ram tu khwai da cha khamre ne si program atam ira tungda mu khui ngai ge naw da chukraga ekta sanau ge ache ning siraga de yan tangau ge
Ishui case of honor Abamili Mrang Runa Sarila Avava Chanyo Likam Dalini Shilakare no Atam Kasakya Kale Salila now Lavo Ivang Hita Ramatun Kamihi Ning Shikajang Kade Ara Ishui Speech Matarang Laga Organizing Committee Shongaina Ningashi Pangsin Tiao May coming idle Pangsini Mikavai Ishui Ko Convene Swarat Samuel L. Shimrin the Kangaran Mirno Karesada itumui hawk box ya samikai H.A. Donrashim Associate Pastor Violent Baptist Church na kangaran koy mirano. H.A. Donrashim Associate Pastor Violent Baptist Church. Chewi tili ajui program kangajang siyasa mikikiji Pastor Jibam Mishaiza STA Church. Pastor Jibam Mishaiza STA Church. Yaruina bang kagape mamalay mihay say Chewi tili issue special invited spingli mingay talay karesada Akui El Shimre DGM MSTB TCL Ukrul Kakaneli Raime Changmei STC Ukrul Kagatumali Ungram Khan Rum Tau Commercial Pilot Hibing inala Kangran Kasamilo Akui El Shimre, Chair Mission ASP, Raimei Changmei, Hanyo Rungsung, Ungram Khan Rumtau, Commercial Pilot, Vaumaran Rumtau, Commercial Pilot, Masha Mira Salila Shimkur Laitelayaka, Organizing Committee Shongaina, Legacy Bangsin, Ranai de Kalehi Shimkurnala, Kangran Kumilo. Mashamra Salula Shimgurata Layaka Bangsini Kangran Kumilo Banchok Likam Dr. Twingaren Sario Senior Specialist RD Toba District Hospital Rawojan Gsomoshi Manager Airport Authority of India Kabangmi Gashung Manager SPI Ukrur Branch, Ramzik Likam, Assistant Engineer MSP DCL Ukrur, Dr. Star Rulang, Assistant Professor FGI CAS Hanbang, Paningmi Likam, Deputy Manager SPI Ukrur Branch, Red Lepi Likam, Gash Officer Ukrur Branch, Yarita Shingnai Sui, Senior Telecom Officer, Lungmi Likam, Prem Likam, retired Additional Chief Engineer PWT. Natumnala abam hililay tilaya ka pangsin hi kakwimilo. Adam mazangkavay mashamara salula shimkura tilaya ka organizing ushongay na legacy pangsin tiyomay kang ranay taklay hi kakakwimilo. Prem Likam, retired Additional Chief Engineer PWT. Yaruina bang banglagay nagagapeme say atumna bang sinji gakwitaran. Hiwitili ajui host sam igigajikani. All Lechan AS. Nandala bam hililay ka gakwimilo or Lechan AS. Kala ajui Honpun Lyric Miss Lyric Contest we judges Chantri Kayi, Femina Miss India Manipur 2024, Kakaneli Eastern Light Zimik, Fashion Designer, Gagatumali, Taimi Bay R. Shinglai, Principal, SCHSS. Chantri Kayi, Femina Miss India Manipur 2024, Kakaneli Eastern Light Zimik, Fashion Designer, Gagatumali, Taimi Bay R. Shinglai, Principal, Alice Christian Higher Secondary School. Huitili, Mazui Team, Karesadar Nobot Kayi, Brobrider, Kakaneli Beerson Shatsang, Gagatumali, Herjam Shang Jipang, Kamateli, Ormidon, El Shimre. Judges, Miss Lyric Contest with Judges, Chantri Kayi, Femina Miss India Manipur 2024. Kakaneli Eastern Light Zamik Fashion Designer. Eastern Light Zamik Fashion Designer. Kagatumali Taimibe R. Shinglai, Principal Alice Christian Higher Secondary School. Ningshlagare Shuiko Ganimir Swaraj Samuel L. Shimreli, Ara Shuika Kane presentation ni, Shui Kanmine Ungsorin Ruguina Kangaran Mirano, Shuiko Kanmine Ungsorin Ruguina Kangaran Mirano. Special inviters Karesada Akui L. Shimre, DGM and MSP TCL Ukrul. Akui L. Shimre, DGM MSP TCL Ukrul. Kakaneli Chermishan ASP. Kakatumali Raime Changmei STC Ukro. Kakatumli Hanyo Rungsung STC Ukro. Kapangali Ungram Khan Rumtao Commercial Pilot. Katrugli Valmaran Rumtao Commercial Pilot. Kashneli Panchok Likam. Kadshadli Dr. Twingaren Sario, Senior Specialist RT Tobo District Hospital. Kachigoli Rojan Somoshi, Manager Airport Authority of India. Juitili Kabangmi Kashung, Manager SPI Ukrul Branch. Juitili Ramzik Rikam, Assistant Engineer, MSP DCL Ukrul. Juitili Dr. Star Rulang, Assistant Professor FGI CAS Hanbang. Juitili Paningmi Rikam, Deputy Manager SPI Ukrul Branch. Red Lepi Luikam, Guest Officer Ukrur Branch. Yareta Shingnai Sui, BSNL Telecom Officer. Lungmi Luikam. Prem Luikam. Mazui Team Karesada Norbert Kayi Proprietor. Norbert Kayi. Pearson Shatsang. Pearson Shatsang. Yarina Bang Banglagai na Gagpemise, Pearson, Shatsang, Jiwitili, Horjim Shang, Jipang, Horjim Shang, Jipang. Jiwitili, Ormidon El Shimre, Ormidon El Shimre. Kala Achiwi Manter, Yuri Gajri. Yarina, Atumna Bang Sinti Gokwitaran, Bang Banglagay na Gagapemise, Yuri Gajri. Kala Achiwi Aring Yawi special appearance, Karisada Shimringam Horam. Shimringam Horam. Winso Chamroy. Oshim. Bamrepi Luikam. Winso Chamroy. Mr. Oshim. Bamrepi Luikam. Todrebam Jipang. Todrebam Jipang. Todrebam Jipang, second runner-up, Hunpun God Dalan. Todrebam Jipang, second runner-up, Hunpun God Dalan Season 5. Tot Mating Ramturnau. Zaisen Dance Studio winner Hunpun Got Talent Season 5. Mayung BA Lungjanla first. Mayung BA. Juitili Kangajang Siasa Mikiji Pastor Jibemi Shaiza STA Church. Pastor Jibemi Shaiza STA Church. Ningshla kare shui kanmene sorin rukwili yaruina pangpangla kaina akshita ka family shitse. Are shui speechy shui chief ke sami deklay sopemla releng na atam ka kwimirino.
psycho ri Krista wi mingni fun fun ri wi ring ka pha salam mi dale ri makeup ta iri hiri nganing khang saka ka sa khwa jidi ning shi masot mi dale aroi hi ina hiri mang ning ran mane ik tuiva akan nang ning ki jine ka a masa ka bai ka thak ot leo kita a bam hilim rei thuye a sa thawe juwangai na awi muthunai na ina hiring ning da kre ne ngran yai sa mi da kre program committee bingni running shi mi da le aroi we angran ang yai hewa pis ka kapang wi na juwangai na ngla khamatha bing hiri ja da hangai ye gjawa khamatha ko hewa riwrawi hak mai thei ge je sok mi ne juwangai na khamatha na thum sai ko na khamatha khami je riwrawi wang tek mu te khawai sang sak log ji hi hangai ye kala naw mai thei da understand sai ko ri all the best ge ji hi hang na ga hai na dangau ke kala khna wa sa da organizing committee ri pangnan changai de ning ge shi pangnan ka phi mi ro Shiraga ire
Ning share issue is page kami sopem laro lang na razang mida itumli lumlagay na ragsat sang mida na banglan na sa kami chuwang na ning share
Kadishat Lyric and Miss Lyric contest first round group kahai witili open half marathon first Chunpun Lyric marathon 2025 hi we prize hi yaumira chiai na chili khuikhai bingjina ready ka sami ai salo atamba chang khwai chui prize khuiki ti bingjina ready ka sami ai salo ni chilagra
Aro itung we program hi Miss Lyric Contest hopok bai khwai achu host khani Kresada Miss Worley Chan AS kala khaniali Mr. Soranchok Kasar nanile atam hi miere nanina ara stage ka khuimiolo yarisai goru na Worley Chan AS aina Soranchok Kasar anilo welcome sa kuisada pang panglagay na anile welcome sa sada pang femise Station and new in era. Miss Lyric Contest we host kani Worley Chan AS aina Soranchok Kasar ara station na nili midlaye nanina station ka khuimilo
Hello. Apa kau sejang? Yari mering balik. Hello, Kroll. Hello, unpun now. Aji miss kebangi kejili, razang gai na thum gedong li. Iwi side na kala organizing committee wi side na apology. Sad le. Atam jadam sing thei thogi dei thumai khion da wei jena. Na thum na sikla la. Hiak sik apam hili na thum na. Razang midak le na thum li ning shina ko ji thumi organizing committee kala miss hunpun le rui. Sai chong na hang mid le. Maring pham masam yelo. How phoko sai. Ilo chung the mom dim right. Actually 2025 we ngala khangyan hili. Audition matik chala ni sai laga. Atam sang laga in grooming sa laga na thum yaru ili. Mik ngayam sak lakre da last yoj go hin ngalang yen gi jinai. Jena atumang lam shok pai thogi da. Achi hosi ini lei lei. Jena idum yaru zai gura khonchok laga. Pang pang ka phel ga you co-host Miss Oli Chan Asian really welcome sabu sai. Yaru khonchok sai.
Ming Palik le. Mas azak matay dam ne akona ni Shanghai Ming Palik le. Mahaya real. Atungan masyado ko mahaya real. Thank you so much. Thank you, Amay Soren Chok, for the introduction. Nish Nailim Tagan introduce Akmi Jiwang. Ari ili iwi co-host Sami kita kale Amay Soren Chok lila. Kita oke introduce Sami ngai. Ahi ili kakang ning taran the Ari was sutmangai na kang ning tayang. But it's not just that. He have Ari ali ning dele ka ba nistu mo alung li yang dalaga talent makalay mi dele ka ba nakachunga pungza dele ko. He last Saturday night, he was the winner of Hunpun Lungchan La competition for 3 consecutive years. Abang Pemilo, Chimang Maning ne, deeply rooted in the culture. He was the winner of Howla competition for another 3 consecutive years. Abang Pemilo, Chimang Maning ko. Rooted in the culture, itumi flute competition in the year 2018 lila competition we winner samgapang ne flute competition yang hili kibam may tem dile. The Yarsho next to me, he knows how to play a flute. Ladies, please make some noise. Thank you. Next night, I'm sorry Chok for joining me on the stage. Thank you so much.
You an ham yog that Israel. Now, my co-host is something else. You co-host in Manipur University li PhD scholar, Charles Kaine. Jili lang may da social activities li ning sang lakkay sinaw ka na. Naka Women Union we Art and Culture Secretary. Tangkol sinaw long we Chonwai co-convener. Kala jili lang may da tangkol kitam na long. Kim down. Thankful katam na long Imphal we Vice President Sadal Clean. Chimang hang lamashab lui je. Jenny na tiong ma ke chasang le okay. Awiwa ana ina aling hanje na mahang ai jo de ina katailing han goi laga. Ahik bala kre ji yaru ina thumli ni sei kai ni. Zogda. Thankful chinawing chaili grassroots level football we T licensing kai shinaw akhanai. Kala chili lang may da tribal shinawing jali badminton li national umpire title sampang kahai shinaw kana. Mabayim de yang. Mabayim ne. Kanaw sada. Ini hina last night. Kanaw sada himahangam sakpai 2022 Miss Hunpun Rirui title sampang kahaya. Kim down there. Akon Mashali!
Like the Grasala! You are going to Nagashawa. Kanao 2022 we Miss Hunpun Liri. Peter with a brain. Miss Wally John and Shumray. Yarin Bang Pemisa. Actually, round Gujungle, Miss Kapangiji here. Is that with her? And la now I know how Poki here. As a kind of Poki in the Tumang, Takna, Lungsanora Jogada. Opening at Kanile. Clear remake up to Chimarang Laka in a Yugo Hosley Atomica.
Thank you so much. I think that was a flattery introduction, but thank you. That was nice to hear. I don't know whether that's true or not. However, once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're so thrilled to have all of you with us tonight. And tonight we celebrate beauty, grace, talent. We have to, we will be witnessing it all unfold. Tonight tonight we celebrate grace, talent, and culture as well, as our incredible contestants take the stage to compete for the coveted title of Miss Hunpun Luru 2025. Thank you all for being here to support these amazing women who have worked so hard to get to this point. The journey has been filled with dedication, passion, and resilience, and tonight we're here to witness it all unfold. I would also like to extend a warm and hearty welcome to all the distinguished guests among the audience. Your presence makes it even more special. Also, I would like to extend a very warm and special welcome to everyone joining us online. Thank you. Your support means a lot to our contestants and everyone involved in bringing this pageant to life. Stay tuned. We will be bringing up with so many exciting programs and performance for you tonight. And I hope all of you are excited as we are tonight. Are you ready for the show tonight? Are you ready? I don't think you are so excited as we are. Are you ready and are you excited? That is so much better. Itumi event achieve performance kajunga excited. Salakai performance kajunga lineup sadal that lego not just a beauty contest. Mangmanim koka are really ishumili artists. Aya got telling magazang. Plus, aya achontang luiru nai thangon magazangwi artist kajungka later leko chena. Stay tuned because the night is just about to begin. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Ungyung BA Hunpun Lungjanla winner 2025. Mr. Ungyung li actually yari sekurna bangapia go welcome Sase for his performance.
Yari li sound system winner ka rad legend natun malung fatum samelo 5 minutes mang ashi hili krina kakni Ron jeda with the hangrad legend jifik sako yo with the channel natun hon kasam samelo. The night is still young. Hello, Yari.